Good morning, one and all. Today my presentation topic is REM behavior disorder. Its full name is rapid eye movement sleep behavior disorder. First of all, I would like to talk about definition, then symptoms, then causes, and finally I would like to talk about their treatment. First of all, the RBD means rapid eye movement sleep behavior disorder is defined as abnormal REM sleep. Abnormal REM sleep like this parasomnia. Uh, it, it is firstly described in 1986. Then the major causes it may be caused by the atonia. The muscle of atonia lost their REM behavior to the sleep. That's why it's causes. Then the symptoms of RBD is kicking, dreaming, grabbing, then wake up out of the bed. In the normal sleep cycle, REM sleep may be experience interval is between 9 hours, 90 minutes to 2 hours. But in RBD, it shows once a month or once a week. RBD is causes in the morning hours frequently because REM, rapid eye movement, is very frequent in the morning. Then I would like to talk about causes. There are three main causes like idiopathic causes, symptomatic RBD causes, then physiological causes. It may be caused to elderly patient or the patient have neurodegenerative disorder. Neurodegenerative means Parkinson disorder. It may be associated with Alzheimer's disease. Idiopathic RBD causes is associated with family gene pattern disorder. When we talk about second one, symptomatic RBD causes is mainly associated with neurodegenerative RBD causes. And 15% of Parkinson patient causes through sympathetic RBD symptoms. Finally, I would like to talk about physiological causes. Physiological causes may be associated with the physical behavior of the person, like what they do, their behavior is also associated with RBD causes. In this disorder, the levodopa waves is decreases and the increases the gamma waves in the oscillator. And finally, I would like to talk about the treatment. Levodopa is the more preferable drug to cure the patient having Parkinson with RBD disease, and the clonazepam is the most effective, like 90% to the patient. And third one is the melatonin is the effective and can also be prescribed more natural sleep. Thank you for listening.